So what is Boolean operators? So Boolean operator is nothing but, here you are saying, Boolean operators. In Google search engine also, if you want to search anything, you can use these Boolean operators. Number one is AND. What is AND used for? AND Boolean operator is used while searching. Whenever you search all the skills, AND means all. Consider you are having Java requirement and you want to search Java, Spring, Hibernate, Struts. You can put skills as a Java and Hibernate and Struts and Spring and Angular, whatever it is. So it shows that all the skills which are required on the requirement you can find by this keyword. So AND is good also and restricted also, because if any one keyword is not there on the resume, it will not give you that correct resume. So I suggest recruiters to use AND properly. Whatever clients are saying that these are the must skills, you should put in AND. And what they are mentioning as OR, in OR Boolean operator, it is alternate. Consider I am searching Java developer. So what title you will put? You will directly put as a Java developer. And if candidate is mentioning as a J2E, you will not get that. If they mention as a developer, you will not get that. If they are mentioning software engineer, you will not get that. So in the title, also in the skills, you can use the alternates using bracket. In bracket, you can mention like Java or J2E or developer or software engineer. Like this you can mention. Other than that, not. Most of the some of the requirements like data analyst, when you go to search the resume, you will find QA analyst also. In that cases, if you use not, it means you have to, it will not consider that resume who are having that skills. Like if you mention not QA, it will not take the QA. Not tester, it will not take the tester for that search strings. So to avoid that keywords in the resume, you have to use it. Be very particular about using this keyword, because most of the IT developers and architects and project managers, program managers nowadays are having multiple skills. So if they mention QA somewhere, then you will miss that resume also. One of the good resume also you can miss there. So you have to use it very wisely. Other than that, next is star. That is asterisk sign on the keyboard. This is used. Now consider I am using Java. And again I have to mention a lot of things. Instead of that, if I mention like Java and star, it will find me Java developer. It will find me Java lead. It will find me Java architect, Java J2E. So asterisk we have to use in front of. Like if I use it in front of certi, CERTI, it will find certificate, certification, certifications. Like multiple combinations we can use it. Other than that, double inverted comma. Double inverted commas are used for exact phrases like SQL. You can put into this. It will find the SQL exactly. So for short forms also you can use it. And if you are using more than one word like Java developer, if you put as a Java developer, it will find as a Java also or developer also. That is the possibility. To avoid that, if you use exact phrase like Java developer in quotes, it will find for only Java developers. This is a good and this is a bad also, because if you put as a Java developer in double quotes, it will find the exact match. But 100%, if you are searching for Java developer and you are mentioning Java developer, it will not fetch you the resume who are having J2E developers, software engineers, developers. So you should be very careful about using this keyword also. After that, this tilde is there, right? This you can use for synonyms, particularly used for Python programming or something like some technologies where you have to use this. Some technologies are there where recruiters are also not aware properly about the technologies. So there you can use this tilde and you can get the synonyms, technologies, and it will give you the best result. Don't use on test, because testing is a broad technologies. In testing, lot of type of testers are available. Don't use this in testing and networking. Otherwise, you will been a problem. Other than that, in URL, in title, in site. These Boolean operators you can use on Google to find passive candidates. In URL means in URL it shows that it will search in a uniform resource locator. If you put as a in URL resume, it will search for a resume in the in URL. If you search for Prashant Keturkar in URL, it will search for Prashant Keturkar. That article it will show. In title, whatever is mentioned, it will find. In site, if consider I am on Google and if I am mentioning inside colon linkedin.com space Prashant Keturkar, you can directly find my profile. If you are not on LinkedIn also, you will find my profile. Because these operators in URL, in title, in site can be used on Google very nicely. So please use this wisely, and I hope you will use this in your recruiting career. Thank you very much, and we will see next steps in next video. Thank you.